in 4. This is driver ready in 5, 4, car down. Quite a rough start there. We've got a pile up. After the first corner, we've got a pile up. Top 5 cars make it through the semi. We have 15 cars on the track. 1/3 of these drivers are going to make it. And the first car around the transponder line is the veteran driver Kelvin Lau, followed by TK Lee, Lim Kok Peng, YG Chong, and Jerry Go holding on to fifth place. Asman 6, Ramesh, Alex 2, Edwin Chow, Vincent Yong, Kai, KL Lee, Cynthia Lai, Waiko, and Sam Chan. Top 5 drivers going to be hunted by the 10 others that are wanting that spot. 13.5 minutes to go. We have Kelvin now on front, TK Lee second, Asman third, Gary Go now fourth, Lim Kok Peng in 5th place, Ramesh behind Lim Kok Peng, 1.9 seconds behind in 6th place, YT Chong, Alex 2, Edwin Chow, KL Lee, Vincent Yong, Kai, Waiko, Cynthia Lai, and Sam Chad. For the drivers that bumped up from the 1/8 odd, please stand by because we're going to run the quarter odd lanes after this. Wesley Chai, Ricky Abriki Joe, Rudy, Lawrence Chow, please stand by, you will be part of the next run. Take a 5-minute break after the group 6 for the marshals to rest, and then we'll go right into the semi-finals for the experts. The fastest man on the track so far is Kelvin Yao, clocking a fast lap of 44.08. Got a flame out on the right side of the track. After 6 minutes of racing, we still have Calvin now out in front, followed by PK Lee. Then got Bing moving up to third place. Gary Go in fourth, Asman in fifth, Alex 2 in sixth. Alex 2 is 12.3 seconds behind Asman. YT Chong in 7th, Edwin Chow 8th, White Gold, Sky in 10, Ramesh, KL Lee, Vincent Young, Sam Chan and TJ Lai. After the fuel stop, we still have Galling now in front. Now Lin Bing is with us to second place. PK Lee in third. Gary Go, Asman holding on to the last bump up position. Edwin Chow in sixth place. Edwin is 4.9 seconds behind Asman. In seventh we have YT Chong, Ramesh Tai, Waiko, KL Lee, Vincent Yong, Sam Chan, TJ Lai, and Alex 2 has dropped all the way down to 15th place with engine problems. We've got a little under 6 minutes left in this run. Group 6 and the bump up drivers, please stand by. Your race will start in 7 minutes. Group 6, 7 minutes to start. We've got another flame out on the left side of the track. good positions there. Calvin House still on front. TK Lee in second place. Lim Kok Ping now in third. Arman in fourth place. Edwin Chow and took up the fifth place. Edwin holding on to the last bump up position. Behind Edwin we have Ramesh. Ramesh is 14.5 seconds away from Edwin. In seventh place we have Waiko, YC Chong, Kel Lee, Sai, Samson, Gary Go, TK Lai, Vincent Jong and Alex Chu. This is the expert 1/4 even main. Top 5 cars bump up to the semi. Lepas ini satu lagi group, kita rehat 10 minit. Yeah, we'll give the marshals 10-minute break after the next group. There'll be a 10-minute break after group 6 so that the marshals can rest up a bit. Down to our last 30 seconds of racing. Orange right now. Suddenly we have Lim Kok Ping in first place, followed by Calvin Yao, TK Lee, Azman, Ramesh holding on to fifth place. Edwin Chow, 6.1 seconds behind Ramesh. We're down to our last 30 seconds. A young man out in front, Lim Kok Ping. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Please keep going until the computer calls out your car number. Top 5 cars, please come in for fuel inspection. Look here, please. Cheese. Thank you. In 12th place,